if we take that situation, for example, point number one is what is really behind it. So maybe you can find that in the past somebody you love died in a car, and so it's very difficult for you. And so because of that situation, you know you need to do something about it. Now go see a psychologist, a counselor that's going to help you with the trauma. So that's one example. If we talk about identifying the cause of the failure, so what caused the accident? Was it because you were texting while driving? Was it because you were drunk? You were distracted by something you saw on the street. For example, if it's Christmas, there is a beautiful house with lights and everything, and then you're just looking and you forget that you're driving. And so now you get in a small accident. So now you know the cause of the failure. Find things you could have done. So just keep going, keep driving. And so maybe it's like, okay, I saw that beautiful house. Let me go and park the car somewhere, and then I come back and look at the house. That's one example. Something else you could have done. Learn the lesson. Now I know that even if something is beautiful on the street, I am driving, so I need to focus on the road. That's one example. So go back to the scene. Now you have that small accident, but you still need to drive. So go back and drive. Even if you have to drive 5 minutes in a parking lot, that's a good start. If you need to go back to driving school, and so there's somebody next to you, and so that helps you to feel better, that's another example of going back to the scene.